What up though? AI webinar community. Build, launch, and scale your webinar brand faster. Now, welcome to the VIP AI webinar community, the space designed for coaches, consultants, creators, and CEOs who are ready to stop struggling alone and start building a billionaire brand that attracts, connects, and converts through webinars. This group is here for you if you've ever felt stuck posting content but getting no engagement, burned out from endless one-to-one selling and DMs, overwhelmed by tech and tools, unsure how to craft a webinar story that actually sells, kind of nervous about going live or launching your first webinar, frustrated when people show up and don't buy, lost on how to get the right traffic and signups, tired of hustling without an evergreen system, confused about pricing, offers, and conversions, behind when you see others scaling with webinars and AI. Now, in this community, you'll be able to post your biggest pain points and questions and get clear answers. Share your webinar slides, funnels, or replays for feedback and reviews. Learn AI-powered strategies and shortcuts that simplify tech and save you time. Get tips to position your story and brand with authority. Connect with other ambitious entrepreneurs with like minds on the same journey. This just isn't just another group. It's your support system, feedback loop, so you can stop guessing and start growing with webinars with the right mentorship that work 24/7. I can, I will, I shall be victorious. Welcome to the group. Let's get to work. Let's go. Deuces.